And we have some news coming in at this point in time. DK Shivkumar, the Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka, has clarified on will change Samvidhan dare. First reaction of DKS to JP Nadda's attack.
See, I am a sensible senior politician than Mr. Nadda. I have been in the assembly last 36 years. I have a basic common sense. I have not said that there will be any. I have said casually there will be so many changes after various judgments. Whatever reservation has been given as per the quota of the backward class has been given. I have not said that we are going to change the constitution or not that. Whatever they are quoting is wrong. They are miscarrying it. I am categorically telling that we are a national party. We know what is the constitution, how constitution is built. It is our party. We have brought the constitution to this country. And they are misguiding. I will take a breach of privilege on this. I will fight out a case. They are misquoting me. I have not quoted out anything on this. Why should I tell? I have said casually that there are so many places when judgments come on the basis of judgment, some constitution have been changed. That's all. I have not referred to this issue. This is the issue. If they want to take my name, if they want to feel happy with taking my name everywhere, let them do whatever they want.
Mr. Kiran Rijiju, Union Minister says, Mr. Kiran.
Huh? Media is not misquoting. It is BJP misquoting. Where is media good? You see the record. I just saw the record just right now after looking at. They are. No, let's see. They are political people. They try to misguide the country itself. Not only the BJP always try to misguide the country. Where I have said that I am going to change the constitution.
Do you think they are peddling fake news?
See, they are very famous on peddling fake news like this. Because they know that every day the graph is dipping. So I will not leave at this stage.
On record, will you just say this 4% reservation is based on what? One for record's sake.
See, this is on record, I am telling you, on the basis of the backward class. Backward class, what is in my state, on that basis, my government has taken a call. That's all. I know that will go to the court. I said that let us wait for the court in so many cases on so many states. It may be Maharashtra, it may be Haryana, or many states on this type of reservation. People have gone to the court and courts have given various judgments. That is why I said after various judgments, the constitutions will have to have changed earlier. I am also a sensible man with well experience in this legislative system.
Sir, Mr. Sambit Patra have said that this is the idea of Congress and the Rahul Gandhi family.
See, if they doesn't take the name of Gandhi family, they will not get sleep at all. They will not get sleep at all. So all rubbish, all nonsense. I would like to again tell that this is all a political conspiracy against our party and me. Definitely, I will definitely have to take it legally. It is my bound duty, but the matter is in the parliament. So parliament, they will have a different protection on the part. ನಾನು ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ಏನು ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಏನು ಪ್ರಸ್ತಾವನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅದು ಅಪ್ಪಟ ಸುಳ್ಳು. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ ನಾವು ಇಂಥ ಅನೇಕ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಕೋರ್ಟ್ಗಳ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ, ಕೋರ್ಟ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಸಂವಿಧಾನಗಳು.
Alright, you heard there from the Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka, DK Shivkumar, saying that this is bizarre. I never made a statement of this effect, that we will be changing the Samvidhan. I mean, how was that even possible, says DK Shivkumar. What is the leader of Rajya Sabha, JP Nadda, really talking about? He's denied these allegations that he made that statement about changing the constitution. He said that's not even possible as far as that attack from JP Nadda is concerned. This has got to do with the furor and with the war that has broken out over this statement, or rather with the Karnataka government now in fact, thinking about a 4% quota reservation for Muslims in contractual government jobs. This matter has now been raised in Parliament as well, with JP Nadda, the leader of the House in Rajya Sabha, raising it today. The Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju also went all guns blazing against the Karnataka government in the state, in fact against the Congress government in the state of Karnataka, talking about the fact that this is unconstitutional, something that was in fact also opposed by Baba Saheb Ambedkar and something that the Congress party is flouting. Sagay Raj getting in more details. Sagay, DK Shiv Kumar there, in fact, giving a rebuttal to what had been said by JP Nadda earlier today in Parliament, where this matter was raised in the House in Rajya Sabha.
Absolutely, DK Shiv Kumar, the Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka, who has given a clarification on this, has hit out at JP Nadda, and he claims that he is more sensible and senior politician than JP Nadda, and he knows what he is saying. And he has also given a clarification that he has been misquoted by BJP, and he says that BJP is trying to peddle fake news, and it is there in their DNA. And he has also claimed that he has not said that he will change the constitution. He has said that there are various judgments, whether it is Haryana or Maharashtra, in various cases when it comes to reservation, there are changes and judgment which has been made, which has resulted in change in the constitution. So he was trying to quote that, and he has also said that he is going to legally challenge this, since right now it is in the Parliament, but he will also try to challenge it legally, and he will also question is a breach of a privilege. And he has also said that the BJP can't sleep if they don't take the name of Congress, Gandhi and him. And they say, and he has also claimed that they are trying to divert the main issue by making this unnecessary news out of something which has not made. And he still claims that constitution is been created by his party, and he will uphold the constitution, and he never intend to make a statement of changing the constitution. He meant to say that there are judgments which has resulted in changing the constitution, and he said that he stick to that, and there are people who are trying to misquote and peddle the fake news out of what he has made the statement in a private news channel.
All right, I'm going to thank you for the moment, Sagay Raj, getting us those details. Now, all of this really started in Parliament this morning when the leader of the House in Rajya Sabha, JP Nadda, criticized the Congress government for 4% quota for Muslims in contractual jobs. Listen in.
बहुत दुख के साथ कहना पड़ता है कि जिस तरीके से कांग्रेस पार्टी बहुत संविधान की रक्षक बनती है, वो संविधान के बारे में जिस तरीके से उन्होंने उसकी धज्जियां उड़ाने का प्रयास किया है। संविधान में डॉक्टर बाबा साहब अम्बेडकर ने स्पष्ट लिखा है और कहा है कि रिजर्वेशन धर्म के आधार पर नहीं होगा। रिजर्वेशन विल नॉट बी डन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ रिलीजन। दिस इज एन एक्सेप्टेड प्रिंसिपल ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया। लेकिन साउथ में कांग्रेस की सरकार में रिजर्वेशन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में 4% का रिजर्वेशन का पारित किया जाता है। कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में I'll authenticate. Yes, sir. The statement of the Karnataka में leader of the house. Yes. The statement to which reference has been made by the Honorable Parliamentary Affairs Minister, that a constitutional functionary holding position in the political party has made a statement that there will be reservation in contract for Muslim community. That statement be authenticated and put on the table of the House. The Karnataka government, of the day. I'll do that, sir. The Karnataka government has passed a bill granting 4% of reservation to minorities and in public contracts. In public contracts.